You know, the other day I was recording a guitar amp with a classic mic, the SM57. It's been around for years. It always gets you a great sound. But I kind of found myself wondering, is there anything extra I can do to this mic to give it a little bump, something a little different? Today I'm going to give you some examples of how you can modify the SM57. I'm Ryan from CreativeSoundLab.tv, and thanks to AshevilleBlog.com for having me today. And just real quick, I want to give you some listening examples to some of these variations in addition to the article you've been reading. The green 57 is a stock 57. The orange is the transformerless 57. I have this marked as no phantom. If you turn the phantom power on this mic, it's not protected by that transformer, and it'll kill the microphone element inside. The third one we'll be listening today is it's actually an SM58. It has the grow removed. So essentially we have two mics in one. So let's take a listen to these mics on a guitar cabinet.